Hello guys and welcome. This is a school journey again. Tempted to change it up a little bit. We'll see how I feel. Right, let's get going. I hate these stones can be slippery sometimes, like seriously. Right, so I actually put on another jumper today, so I should be a little bit warmer. Apparently he's going this way, so I'm going. It's good that I do like different journeys on the way there and back though, because it gives me 2 separate videos per day, which is absolutely great. It did rain quite a lot last night, apparently. So, hopefully it's not too slippery. My neck's getting cold. I do have a scarf, but it's not like a really thick one, so I probably should use a thicker one. But to be fair, it is nearly summertime here in the UK, so should get better. Right, so we're going to take a right turn here. Because I don't know. So this could actually potentially be quite a bit longer, but that's alright, I suppose. So we're actually going to go back on ourselves a little bit here. Potentially. Left turn up here. It's similar to the route we did yesterday on the way home, but again the reverse because we're going up to the other place, but you'll see. Right, so we're going to go left up here. Well, we actually can't. So let's go right up there. Can you go right up there? Honestly, that road is going to be the death of me. Like, legit. It's ridiculous. It's constantly closed. I just want to... it, we'll have to go a different way. I'm guessing this is going to take us back down to where we were. Potentially. We need to probably make a right at some point. Where this will take us out, but oh, I know where we are. So it's basically just taken us back a long way, like a really long way. We can't do that today. We should know where we are now. There's the cow shed up there. Technically kind of like back on the bit we should have been at. That's where we went right before, so let's continue straight. The normal route. Can I get through? Yes, I can. Here we go. Jesus Christ, those bumps are going to kill me. But some of the villages around here are really nice. else made that. I'm just trying to figure out how many weeks it is till half term. So as I explained before, my girlfriend lives like an hour and 40-minute train ride away, or an hour train ride away, and then a 40-minute car journey from the train place away. And I'm just trying to figure out how long it is till half term, because I only get to see her like occasionally at weekends. I've been up, which is absolutely like the best thing ever. But mostly during like holidays and stuff. So next year it's going to completely change, because it's just going to be easier for next year, because I'm doing like a part-time, well, because I'm trained to do piano basically. I'm doing a part-time job as a gap year next year and then working hard at piano, but it gives me a lot more free time to go up there and a lot more time to make videos as well, and more interesting videos. Like while I'm going up there, I'm going to get a brand new camera for my motorbike helmet so I can get a lot better quality, because I like the quality of this, but at the end of the day, there's always better, you can always improve. I would like to get 4K and everything like that. And by then it should be 4K at 60 FPS and all that. But yeah, go back to the point. Yeah, I need to try and figure out how long it is till half term, because I'm so excited to see her. I haven't seen her. Actually, now it's only been like a couple of weeks, but still, that's a lot for me. I miss her a lot. I actually really love her. So. Summer's going to be great. So we've got half term, which I'm going to be staying with her for a couple of nights, just like that. But then we've got half term, and I think I'm going up to hers for a week, and then she's coming down to mine for like 4 days, then she's off to Rome on holiday, and then she's I'm going to hers for a week, and then she's off to Rome, and then she's going to mine for 4 days, then she's off on another holiday for 2 weeks, and then she's coming down to mine again for a whole week after that, and it's just going to be great, and there's more time for after that as well. So like, it's going to be great. She'll probably come on a few vlogs with us and stuff like that, and we'll do some videos, like, yeah, just basically stuff like that. So it's going to be great time. I've got a good idea as well, actually. My friend's on it before. He's got a car. He has a really beautiful, like, Mini Cooper S, I think it is. It's really nice. And what he does with some of his other car driving friends is, well, we're going to get him on the channel soon, but yeah, with some of his other car driving friends, he plays hide and seek. I know it's like a complete waste of petrol and stuff, but it's just brilliant, because you pick a town basically, so like Tame or Long Cranach down that way, and then one of you goes and hides. You have like, I think they give you like 3 minutes or something like that, and then obviously the other person has to come find you in the car and then switch over. So I'll be on the right, which could be technically really unfair, because I can go down to like tighter spaces, which I would. I would say I wouldn't do, but I probably would, not gonna lie. So yeah, big forward to that. It's gonna be great. Right, so we'll make this right turn, and then we should end the video. Oh, there's one of my friends. In his little Ford Fiesta. Oh, I did not realise, like... Anyway, I better finish the video here, but... I didn't realise it was school time, I just literally just finished, but... Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. You're gonna get some strange looks, like... Why has he got a big electronic thing on the side of his freaking face? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.